Welcome to my channel, where the art of tattooing becomes a fascinating journey. My name is Annie, and today we are going to travel together into the world of beautiful tattoos. Today we have this lovely butterfly for me. It's not just a drawing, but a little story carved into my skin. It reminds me of transformation and freedom, where change comes easily and like this tattoo, beautiful and graceful. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. Subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss our new creative stories. It's important to me.